Hello students, in this lecture we are going to see a distance formula. So distance formula. Okay. So distance formula is what? Distance d is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Suppose this is a point, any point whose coordinate are x1 and y1. And here is another point whose coordinate are x2 and y2. Okay. Then this distance, straight distance I am talking about. Straight distance is given by this formula. D is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Okay. This is the distance formula. Simple example on this is that suppose this is the point 1, 2 and this is the point 3, 4. Then the distance, name this point as A and B, and you will be told to calculate distance A comma B. In this case we are using this formula. Okay, so we will solve all stepwise. Question will be like this. Remember this formula and question will be like this. Okay, question is like this. What is distance between points 1, 2 and 3, 4? Then solution will be like this. Okay, so we have what we have. Distance D is equal to under root x2, solution starting from here, x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square is equal to under root what is x2 by here point x2 minus x1. So we will assume it first. Assume 1, 2 is equal to what? x1 comma x2 and 3, 4 is equal to x2 comma y2. Assume now okay, now what is now? Distance B of given points. So assume this point as A and B. Okay, so distance AB is equal to under root what is AB is equal to x2 minus x1, 3 minus 1 bracket square. Okay, 3 minus 1, x2 is 3, x1 is 1, x2 minus x1 into y2 minus y1, 4 minus 2. Sorry, here y1 is there. Okay, y2 minus y1 bracket square. I hope you are able to listen me. Is equal to under root 3 minus 1, 2 square. Sorry. y2 minus y1, 4 minus 2, 2 square. Okay, sorry for 4 minus 2 square. Okay, under root 2 square 4 plus 2 square 4 under root 4 plus 4. What is 4 plus 4? 8. What is 8? 8 is 4 into 2. What what is square root of 2? 4. 2. Square root of 2 can determine 2. So distance A comma B is 2 under root 2. Okay. So likewise, distance formula. So this is the distance formula. Here, whatever the unit we have to write down. What is the distance between the points? So this is the whole stepwise solution of this problem. You may be asked that what is the distance between the points, between 2 points 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. In this case, we write down first the word solution. From the margin, we write down in between. Here, we have to leave the margin now. Okay? So like this. So we have distance like this. Now like this. Okay? So stepwise you have to solve this question. And you will get this question will be hard for 2 marks. This question will be for 2 marks. How many marks? 2 marks. Remember this thing. So we will take question from the book depending on this formula. Find the distance between the points. Find the distance between the points P minus 6, 7. Question is this: P minus 6, 7 and Q minus 1 minus 5. So solution will be this. We have or assume let P, so already the points are given, P minus 6, 7 be x1 comma y1 and Q minus 1, 5 is equal to x2 comma y2. Okay, likewise x2 comma y2. So this is the your solution. Solution started. Okay, I hope you are able to listen me. Let P, so distance, but we know that distance P comma Q is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. What is this formula? Write down this. Then under root, what is x2? Minus 1 minus 6. Okay? Bracket complete. Plus y2 what? Minus 5 minus 7. Okay? Minus 5 minus 7 is equal to under root 1 plus 6, 5 plus minus 5 minus 6, 7 minus 12. Okay? So 5 minus 12 plus into minus. So 5 minus 12 under root 5 minus under root 5 minus 12. Okay. So what is 5 minus 12? Minus 7. Sorry. The square we have to do. So square will be there. Sorry for that. Square will be there. So 5 square 25 plus minus 12 square 144. So under root 169 is equal to 13. So distance P Q will be 13. The distance PQ will be 13. So this is the distance, that is whatever the unit will be. Okay, so remember. So as 13 answer given in the book, so 13 is the correct answer. Okay, 13 is the correct answer. I hope you are able to see the question properly. I am seeing here that each and everything on the blackboard is able to see properly. Find the distance between the points. Find the distance between the points. Another question, little bit difficult. Another question. Find the distance between the points A minus R is equal to A plus B, comma A minus B, and S equal to A minus B, comma A minus B. Okay, so is it question is correct? So question is correct. So distance solution will start from here. Distance formula. What will be distance formula? Or D is equal to, what will be D is equal to under root. We have D is equal to A plus B. D is equal to x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1. We have to write down formula first. Y2 minus y1 bracket square, correct. Then under root, what is x2? This is the formula. What is x2? So therefore distance RS is equal to x2 what? A minus B minus x1 what? A plus B. First bracket complete, second bracket complete, plus y2 what? A minus B minus y1 what? A minus B in bracket. Okay, so that will be there. So under root A minus B minus A minus B plus bracket square is there. So bracket square is there. Bracket square plus A minus B minus A minus B minus A plus will be there. Minus into minus plus, minus into plus, minus square. Minus into plus, minus into minus, plus. So minus A get cancelled, B get cancelled. Is equal to under root minus B minus 2B bracket square, you don't have to forget, minus 2B into minus A, that will also get cancelled. Okay, then here 0 square. What is 0 square? So is equal to minus 2B square under root 4B square plus 0. So 4B square is 2B. So 2B is the distance between the point. So therefore distance between the point RS is equal to 2B. Distance RS is equal to 2B. So I will write here. Distance RS is equal to 2B. Whatever you need. Distance R is equal to 2B. Likewise, you are able to solve the question. Find the value of x. I will write question here. Find value of x if the distance between the points x comma minus 1 and 3 comma 2 minus 3 not 3 comma 2 is 5 x comma minus 1 and 3 comma 2, distance between these two points is 5 and we have to find out x. So this question will be for 3 marks. So solution, what is solution will be there? We have distance d is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. distance d, what is, what is d is equal to 5 given, d is equal to 5 given. So 5 is equal to under root, what is x2, and this is x2 and x1. What is x2? 3 minus x bracket square plus 2 minus minus 1 is it, 2 minus minus 1 bracket square is 5. Distance is given already. Okay, so remember this point. So under root 3 square 9 minus 12x a minus b bracket square formula we have used here. A minus b bracket square, a square minus 2ab, 2ab means 6x will be there. 2ab 6x plus b square x square. So 2 in another bracket 2 plus 1, that means 3 square is 9 is there. So likewise. So take square of both the sides. Taking square of both the sides. What we have, 25 is equal to 9 plus 9, 18 minus 6x plus x square, minus 6x plus x square. So 25 same to that side. X square minus 6x, 18 minus 25, 7. So minus 25 sin 7 is equal to 0. Solve this quadratic equation. So multiplication is minus 7 and 1. That means minus 7 into 1 minus 7, and addition is minus 6x. So these two numbers are x square minus 7x plus x minus 7. Addition is minus 6 and multiplication is minus 7. Okay? Into 1 we have to also. Here 1 is there. So what is there? Take x common outside. X into x minus 7. I hope you are able to see. X into x minus 7 plus 1 we will take here. Nothing is there. We need to come. So we will take 1 common outside. So is equal to x minus 7 and x plus 1. So x will be, therefore x will be plus 7. Therefore x will be plus 7 or x will be minus 1. So x will be 7. X will be 7. Okay, or minus 1. We have to validate the answer. X is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 1. There is no space in that word. So we will verify this answer here. Okay. We will verify the answer 3 minus x. So after putting the value instead of x, put the value here. Here put value instead of x, put 7. Yes, x will be 7. This correct answer. X will be minus 1 will not there because this is not satisfying this equation. This will be satisfying this equation, but distance should be a 5. So your homework will be there. Now you have followed the homework. Put the value of x is equal to 7. Okay, put the value of x is equal to 7 and x is equal to 1. Both will be satisfied to get the value as a 5. So this will be the value of possible value of x. These two values are possible values of x. So therefore ask you. So therefore x will be 7 and x will be minus 1. These are the two possible values. Okay. So I hope you are today increased my sum. So I hope you are able to understand. Find the values of x. In this example, stepwise example is there. This dash you have to learn to do this dash. Okay. In exam, this understanding purpose I done. How it is solved stepwise, but d is equal to 5. This is given. So write this given here. Okay. Likewise. So exercise number 6.2 you have to solve. Okay, exercise 6.2 from R.D. Sharma and also from State Board you have to solve. R.D. Sharma 6.2 whole exercise you have to solve. From tomorrow's video we will take more complex example. Okay. So there is one question. The given points -4, 0 and 4, 0 are the vertices of equilateral triangle, and one more vertex is there that is not given, that we have to find out. Sorry. So 3 vertex are there, third vertex we have to find out, but one more given is that triangles vertex that are given 4, 0, -4, 0, and third vertex we have to find out x1 and y1. This third vertex is an equilateral triangle. What is this? This is a equilateral triangle. So whatever the distance between these 2 points is same as distance between these 2 points and same as distance between these 2 points. So what is distance between these 2 points? So 0, 0 will be there. So -4, 60, 8 square is 0. So 4 minus 4, 8 square, 60 square, 80 square is 8. This distance will be 8. This distance should be 8. This distance should be 8. So we have to find out the make equation from these 2 points. Also we have to make equation from these 2 points. Okay. And we have to solve this equation. So what will be there? What will the equation will become here? Under root x1 minus 4 means plus 4 will be there. Bracket square plus y1 minus 0. y1 square, and here these 2 distances are equal. This distance we are taking it, this distance we will take it. x1 minus 4 bracket square plus y1 minus 0, that means y1 square bracket square. Square and square root will get cancelled. So x1 minus 4 bracket square, for taking square of both sides, sorry, and y1 square plus x1 is equal to x1 plus 4 bracket square plus y1 square. y1 square get cancelled. Solve this equation, we get the value of x. So this is a little bit difficult example, maybe asked for 4 marks. Okay, 3 to 4 marks. Okay. So this is this question for your homework. You have to solve this question and have to send me a message. Everybody is replying very good. This is very useful for your bright future.